Hello everyone, with another plant unboxing video. Yeah, it's continuation of my birthday presents. So this one is a huge plant. Again, I just received it. I have opened it from top to let the plant get some ventilation. Sorry for the exposure change. It's a huge package, like half of the size of me. This plant will love humid and hot weather, which is currently it's very hot and very humid. Again, it has come all the way from Nagaland, northeast India, where temperature remains beautiful for plants and plants flourish over there. Plants become too good size and like they are really very happy. As you can see the size, I don't know what's the size of the plant. I have seen the plant only in pictures. So this is not my first Monstera. It's one of the Monstera, if I haven't told you guys the name. I have Monstera Deliciosa, and I am only left with just two plain leaves with no fenestration because one incident happened. And while I'll open this, I will share incident with you guys. I have already posted that incident on Instagram. So someone abandoned a very newborn calf on road, and that day, it was a rainy day. It was 23 April because that's when we got our last rain. Today is like one of the day from June. And हाँ इतनी कम बारिश होती है यहाँ पे. And I have kept my plants under the sky ताकि उनको rain मिल जाए. And then I started hearing crying of calf and I rushed towards the road. I asked someone to rescue, and by that time the fenestrated leaves were burned down to crisp and they couldn't revive back. Oops. Okay, there's some soil. So yeah, I'm left with no fenestrated Monstera Deliciosa. Pull the plant like that because the soil is. Oh my god, how will I take out the plant now? Oh, it will take a little while to unbox. How will I? Sorry guys. See if I can take out the plant. I don't want to damage the leaves because I bought the plant for its leaves and fenestration. So let's see. It took a while to open up the box, but this is the Monstera Albo. This is the new leaf. It got a little bit crinkly. I hope it regains strength. It is a very beautiful leaf. It's so pretty, but this is how the plant is looking. I think it got crushed because the planter is like literally like this. Sorry for the exposure change guys, but yeah, it has a fenestration. I wanted a leaf, actually elbow with fenestration. So I got this at nice price, I will say. There is a half moon too of this plant, which was less pricier than this. But I wanted a plant with a variegation. It got a little bit like damaged from here, but that happens while shipping. It's okay. Yeah, I will report it very soon. I will let it acclimate to my surroundings, and It's a gorgeous leaf. It's a very big leaf. The new one is really pretty good. So this plant is from Garden Bliss 13 and they do Saturday sales weekly. So you can get your hands on. I wish this plant was more. Yeah, this looks nice. I wish this thing has not happened, but it happens during transportation whenever you are ordering plants online. So whenever you are choosing Albo, make sure the leaf is not fully white because it will die, okay? You will not get beautiful variegations, and do not put them in directly sunlight, especially whenever it's summertime. They love shaded bright light and humidity. Water them, but do not let the water hold on into the soil. And yeah, it's a beautiful plant. I know you people ask me the price, so this one is around 1500 and the price will depend on variegation, fenestration, nodes, leaves, size of the plant. Elbows can go up to 4000, 5000, the mother plant with double fenestration. Like, it depends on you what type of plant you want. You want a single node. Sometimes people also sell one leaf with just aerial nodes. They are under 1000, I guess. And yeah, different plants, different prices again, because I do not want to mention. Every plant will differ in prices, okay? Do not hold on to just the price that I told. सबके ही प्राइस अलग होंगे, because I don't want people to tell me यार आपने तो ये बोला था, वहाँ पे तो इतने के plants हैं. But yeah, it's again my birthday gift and I love it. The pot got broken up, so there is literally spillage of soil. I will clean my room and I will pot them soon. I will let them acclimate. I absolutely love this Albo. It's beautiful. I love Monstera aurea too, but it's not up to my list. I will get my hands on some pink princes and white princes. There are a lot of plants coming soon. All this summertime I try to maintain the health of the plants. Now I'm ready to get new plants. This is my pre-birthday gift. So my birthday is next month end in July and I love it. I'm so happy. This really made me happy. Yeah, so this is by Garden Bliss 13. I think I have mentioned it, and they do Saturday sales, so you can follow them. I will mention all the links in the description. And if you love plants, unboxing, want to see shorts, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Book Up Fluffy. And I will meet you next time. Till then, bye.